Hiya and welcome to my last unboxing of a Planner Society kit. I've cancelled my Planner Society subscription from this kit. So this is the kit for January and February and it will be my last one. Here we have it here. So there's the Washi kit and the main planner kit. Just to give you a little bit of history before I unbox the kit, I've subscribed to the Planner Society since March 2017, so almost 3 years now, and I do love the Planner Society. Unfortunately, I'm not using the kits anymore. I found from when the kits went bi-monthly, which was the beginning of last year, so we went from having a monthly kit to having a larger kit every 2 months. I found from that point in time that I wasn't liking the kits anymore. They seemed to become really repetitive. It seemed to be the same items every month, just in a different colour scheme. So we had a tall notepad and a shorter sticky notepad, and we had the scalloped glitter edges and the bow tabs, and everything seemed to just be really repetitive, and it didn't seem to have the magic that the kit once had for me. I also felt like the artwork and the art style changed from the beginning of last year. So I did subscribe all of last year, and I actually filmed all of those unboxings also, but most of them I do believe I didn't post to my channel. I like to have a positive channel, and sometimes I feel if you don't have something nice to say, don't say anything. But because this is an honest chat about the Planner Society, I thought that I really should post this final unboxing and just let you know that it's time for me to have a break from the Planner Society, and maybe I'll come back in the future, but for now it's just not working for me. So this is the January-February kit. I have seen from the sneaks of the kit that it's a little bit changed up from the kits last year, which I'm pretty excited about actually. But without any more chatter, let's just get into it. This is everything in the main planner kit. So the first thing I'll do is just unbox the paper. This is the first sheet here, so a floral, and on the reverse side of that, this is nice actually, a pale pink with a white dot. So we have 2 of those, and then another stylized floral, and a check pattern on the reverse of that. We have 2 of those. And this is the third paper, so a mustardy type floral, and on the reverse this page is absolutely stunning, totally gorgeous. Love, love, love this. I love butterflies and I'm super excited about this page, so I love this page. And then we've got a vellum, so a vellum of the butterfly page. I'll just pop something behind it. So also love that. Then there's the floral in a vellum with a foil on it. You can see there's a foil on the center of the flowers. And then we've got an acetate, which is the gold butterflies. And on the reverse they show silver. Loving that. And a spotty acetate. So I also like this acetate. And then we've got the laser cutout page. So these are the papers and specialty papers from the kit, just to give you an idea of the artwork and the colours that are being used this month. And this is everything else in the kit, so I think I'll just start at the top and work my way down. The first thing is this pencil pouch. We've received this type of pouch in the past, but it's always had a funny long dangly bit of zip on the end, so it's really nice to see that this is now finished much more neatly. and the zip slides open easily, and there we have it there with the bow on the front. It's also really nice to see that that's actually stitched on. In the last kit there was just a bit of double-sided tape holding the bow on, so it fell off really easily. Next thing in the kit are some butterfly paper clips, and they're also sort of that PVC, fake vinyl, I'm not too sure what to call it. There's a little ribbon in the centre of them. They're cute. There's a very small stamp, so you've got little boxes here, and then you've got various headers. So you've got the little headers: appointment, remember, must do, to do, email, call, urgent, to fit in the small boxes at the top there. And then you've got the same words slightly bigger plus a to buy, and that can fit in the slightly bigger box. I imagine this is designed for an EC width column, and these look perfect for a smaller planner such as a Hobonichi. We haven't had a stamp for ages, so it's quite nice to see a little stamp in there. The next thing is the pen. The pen has the pink dot here and the floral here. The pens have been doing this for a while now, sort of mixing the patterns like that. This time the cap actually fits on the end, and it's gold hardware. It looks like a gel pen. Yeah, I don't actually like the pen, to be honest. And the next thing we have here are some washi cards or bookmarks or whatever you like. We'll just open that. So these are sort of like a thick acetate. It's a frosted type of acetate though, and it's actually a bit thicker than acetate. I don't know what to actually call it. I believe they're designed as washi cards for the smaller ones, but they may just be designed as bookmarks. We've got two there, and then we've got a glossier paper one here. I think they'd be perfect for washi cards. And then we've got the same designs in a taller one. So the taller ones are maybe more useful as bookmarks than washi cards. This is again a different product. So as I did say, this kit seems to have mixed up products and introduced some new products. And I didn't really feel like we had new products for most of last year. So this kit is getting a bit more interesting with different products. So these are stencils. So we've got some cute banners here, and then this one we've got the alphabet. I found in the past the stencils are quite hard to use, but these ones look like they're a bit wider, so I should be able to get some of my pens down into the stencil should I desire. This one here certainly looks like it could be a useful stencil. And then we've got this here. So this is one of the new and different products again. It's quite funny that I talked at the beginning about how repetitive the products were in the kits last year, and now this year they seem to be different. But honestly, all of the kits last year I really felt were just stamped out with a cookie cutter in different colours. So it's quite exciting to see the kit changing, and it'll be really interesting for new subscribers to be getting different products. So this is a weekly planner. It's just a notepad. You can see there's quite a lot of pages, and you can see it's quite big. So we've got all the days of the week, and then down the bottom here we've got weekly goals, top 3 priorities, and don't forget. That could be a cute one just to have sitting on your desk or kitchen counter or something. Then we've got some page flags, and it looks like there's space here to punch it for a ring planner or a disc bound planner. So we've got yes, meal plan, to do, a couple of florals, and checklist. I'll just take one off. Excellent. It doesn't seem to be leaving sticky residue there, which a lot of page flags have done. And you can see there's just a bit of sticky on the side there, which for the moment seems to be sticking. And the next thing are the self-adhesive tabs. The tabs are all in coordinating patterns with the papers, and you can see they just lift up like so, and you can fold them. And then you've got white space here to put your stickers, and we have 2 sets of the stickers for the front and the back of the tab, and almost every word you could possibly think of. I think the tabs are brilliant. And the next thing are these laser pockets. This colour's just too bright for me, but there's a wider pocket here. There's the one that lifts up, and there's a blue one. It's a nice blue, and it has a little pocket in here. So we've seen those before in other kits, just different colours. And then we've got these edges, and these 4 colours here. They're a little bit hard to see until you can lift it, but they're sort of like lace edges. We try and lift one. There's an example of one of them. So with these, you can pop them on the edge of your page or wherever you like, really, and they're in different widths. So there's the widest one. So there's a total of, it looks like 4 in each colour. Then we've got these really large glitter alphas. They're a nice colour glitter. And then we've got the cute little baggie here, and inside this will be the stickers for the kit. So each month we get stickers of this size, and there's normally 4 of them. So here we've got, they're all foiled. We've got butterflies and bags and so on. These cute little ones. I do like these ones. We've got the one with the phrases in a gold foil, and then another cute little deco one with butterflies on it. I do like the butterflies this month. So there we have it, 4 stickers. And then we've got our word toppers. We've got a gold foil with month, today, week, notes and lists. And then we've got the same words and patterns which match the kit. So these are perfect for making bookmarks and things. You can use them as tabs, they are giant tabs, but you can also use them on something. For example, you can attach them to something like this and make your own bookmark. But that's the intention of those. And then we've got a washi. You can see here the washi is a floral washi, and it has some foil in the centre of the flowers. And the last thing are the cards and die cuts for the kit. We've got Oh So Lovely, Don't Dream It, Do It, and this keyboard, and this little shot here. So we've got these 4 larger die cuts here, and then we've got these cards. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Let your dreams lead. Start your day with a smile. Small steps every day. And now or never. I actually quite like the style of these cards. They're quite quirky and fun. And then we've got our die cuts. We've got some smaller florals. And we've got some cute butterflies. Some handbags. And then these two here. Here you can see the die cuts that came in the kit. So that's the kit for the month, and then I also have the washi kit. And because it's butterflies, I like it. You can see here the 4 different washes. There's the gorgeous butterfly one, which is like the paper. There's a floral with that nice blue background. There's a mustardy floral, and there's this quite cute one here. So I'll just roll out a little bit of these so we can see them. So here we can see all the washies. These 4 are from the washi kit, and this one is from the planner kit. I just love, love, love the butterfly one. It does have quite a small repeat. If you look at the pattern, you can see the pattern is only that long, and the pattern's repeated. With this floral, you've got up to here before you have a repeat. And with the mustard, if you see the 2 little flowers here, you have this much length before you have a repeat of pattern. A dotty one, obviously a repeat doesn't really matter. And with this floral, you can see it starts to repeat again here at this flower. So you've got this length of washi before you have a pattern repeat. But they're the washies for the kit. So I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of the January Planner Society kit. This is the bi-monthly kit for January and February 2020. I hope that my complaints about the kit have not put you off at all. I've been subscribing for almost 3 years, and honestly for the first 2 years I really loved it. Obviously there was the odd kit that I didn't like, and you'd expect that with any sort of subscription kit, that you're not going to like every single month. But really, after not liking any of the kits last year at all, although the kit we received at the end of the year I found quite interesting, but I don't see the point in spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars every year just to file stuff away in a drawer. So if you plan to subscribe to the kit, my only advice would be, please use the items, don't just hoard them. The items are made to be used, they don't keep forever. So do use them, and if you're not using them, why are you getting them? Thanks very much for listening to me, and maybe I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!